You open your eyes, but you don't know who you are. You have no name, no form, only the sound of metal hammers, the glare of welding lights, and the rhythm of spinning scrapes around you. Inside a huge factory, dozens of hands are putting you together piece by piece. And in that moment, you think, what will I become? The plug is inserted. The compressor starts up. Vibrations run through your body. A hum. Then ice cold air begins to circulate, and you are surprised, thinking, ah, is this coolness coming from me? After bouncing around in the trackpad, you open your eyes in a kitchen. The door opens, and milk, eggs, and vegetables come in. Now you know, I am the one keeping them fresh. I am the hero of the kitchen. In the early days, everything is new and exciting. My shelves are filled with colorful vegetables and sparkling bottles. But I must admit, sometimes my job is not easy. One day, a jar of jam was placed right in the middle of the shelf. It was so heavy that I almost bent over. Another day, my lid was opened and closed so many times that I thought maybe they will give me an energy saving award. You know what? Actually, every time my door opens, the cold air inside escapes and the internal temperature rises by 1-2 degrees. So keeping my door open for too long feels like a slight chill to me. But my job is clear, no matter who opens me. I must keep the contents fresh. Some days you are so full. You feel like a packed minibus. Everywhere is filled with fruits, vegetables, bottles. Some nights, while you are sleeping in silence, someone comes. The lid opens slightly, and your sleep is interrupted for just one slice of cake. The worst part, sometimes someone leaves a smelly, oddly colored food container. At that moment, you think to yourself, I wish I didn't have a nose. Sometimes fresh fruit is placed on the top shelf. Sometimes cabbage is stored in the bottom drawer. And you can tell them all apart because you have different temperature zones to store food without spoiling it. The freezer compartment reaches minus 18 degrees. The lower shelves stay around 4 degrees. Yes, you are the scientist of the kitchen. One day, the lights go out. The humming stops. What's happening? Am I going bad? What if my family falls apart? The power doesn't come back for hours, and you panic, watching the food inside go bad. Hours later, the humming returns. Oh, I'm still here. Year pass. The door seals loosen. The shelves get scratched. But you are still on duty. Scientific fact. The average refrigerator lasts 10-15 years. And you feel like you are nearing the end of your journey. One day the plug is pulled. The cold is gone. The hum has ceased. But this isn't the end. The steel, plastic, and copper pipes will be reused. Perhaps in another kitchen, perhaps in a completely different place. Because every end is a harbinger of a new beginning. Every taste, every smell, and every memory you have stored up over a lifetime. Perhaps those are the things that make you who you are. And now you are waiting to be reborn. Thanks for watching.